Hello everyone. Today we will study about homeopathy and child care repertory by Dr. S.K. Tiwari. It published in the year 1998. Total number of drugs in this are 365. This book contains or consists of concise children's general repertory. It has 4 parts. First consists of principles, second therapeutics, third children's type, and fourth repertory part. Now part 1 contains revolves 3 constitutions. Chapter Knowing the Child tells about physician's responsibility to understand the sick child. Second part consists of therapeutics to introduction to the child care. It deals with common diseases of children and their treatment. Third part consists of different types of children. There are 21 types of children given in this repertory from abrotanum to tuberculinum. Fourth part consists of 2 other parts. First part is remedies and their abbreviations, and second part is repertory part. Now we will see the gradations. It has 3 gradations. First is grade 1 capitals, grade 2 bold, and grade 3 ordinary Roman. All the rubrics are arranged in an alphabetical order. There are 122 main rubrics covering all children ailments. The rubric ailments from has 40 sub-rubrics. Characteristic features are not arranged in alphabetical order in this repertory. So this was the homeopathy and child care repertory. Now we will see another repertory, that is the Phoenix repertory. It was published by Dr. J.P.S. Bakshi, published by Cosmic Healer Private Limited, New Delhi in the year 1999. Now what is Phoenix? Phoenix is a mythical bird that lives 500 or 600 years in Arabian desert. It burns itself into ashes on funeral pyre, and it again rises from its ash with the renewed youth. The author considers this repertorial work as not a mere repetition of past but something new. Now we'll see the plan and construction of this repertory. It follows the plan and construction of Kent repertory, having 2 volumes. First volume, mind to abdomen, and second volume, from rectum to generalities. Total number of chapters in this repertory is 38. Total number of medicines 1600. Total number of rubrics comes out to be 1,25,514, and the rubrics are arranged alphabetically. Now there are 4 gradations in this repertory. First is capital bold with 4 marks, second is capital with 3 marks, third is italics with 2 marks, and fourth is Roman with 1 marks. Now these were our 2 repertories of the day. Now we will revise these 2 repertories. Now we will see some important points of these 2 repertories. First repertory is homeopathy and child care, published in the year 1998 by Dr. S.K. Tiwari. It has 4 parts. First part is principles. Second part is therapeutics. Third part is children types, and fourth part is repertory part. So in principles, in the first part, it is given about 3 constitutions. There is a chapter knowing the child in first part, and it tells about physician's responsibility to understand the sick child. Now second part is the therapeutic part, which consists of common diseases of children and their treatment. Third part is children's type, There are 21 types of children's given from abrotanum to tuberculinum. The fourth part, we see fourth part next. Fourth part is the repertory part. It has two other parts. The first part is remedies with their abbreviations, and the second part is repertory part. Now we will see the gradations of this repertory. Three gradations are there. First is capital, second is bold, and third is ordinary Roman. All the rubrics are arranged alphabetically. There are 122 main rubrics. 122 main rubrics in this repertory, and a rubric that is ailments from itself has 40 sub rubrics. This was about the homeopathy and child care. Now we will see important points of the Phoenix repertory. It came in the year 1999, just after child care repertory by Dr. J.P.S. Bakshi. Plan and construction of this book follows Kent's repertory. It has 2 volumes. First volume is from mind to abdomen, and second volume is from rectum to generalities. Total number of chapters are there 38. Total number of medicines in this book are 1600. Total number of rubrics in this are 1,25,514, and the rubrics are arranged alphabetically in this book. Now we will see the gradation of this book. 4 gradations are there here: capital, bold, only capital, italics, and Roman, with marks 4, 3, 2, 1. That's all for the 2 repertories. Thank you.